Everybody want me influencer, everybody want me vlog, everybody want the YouTube, everybody want it not gonna work. Look one, cause nobody me not make nobody make no money.
Contact you recently. He did recently, but like I said, I shut it down, so you know there was no talking because I shut it down. But he recently did. And they wanna know, did you forget about him? Like, forget about him, like, if I think about him, yeah. No, I don't think about him. If I want the nigga, I can go get the nigga.
Like Lipton, and the best pum pum in my house now, me buy your bird.
Fuck, but you crying. Oh, you gonna stop talking to me? Oh, you gonna da-da-da-da? Like, we both know I'm not a wonderful. We both know this. But nah, you wanna get disrespectful. Alright, bet. I could have been post those videos, but nah, since he wanna get, I was waiting for him to get disrespectful. I knew when I said his schmeat was little, it was gonna hurt him. That's what my lawyer, guys, guess what? My lawyer just said this looks real generic. Doesn't even look like they're a real law firm. And I knew it. It looked like it's type up. They think I'm a kid. I'm not dumb. I'm not stupid. Is it clown on my fucking forehead, you dumbass nigga? Are you stupid? Go get a real law firm and then come talk to me. Go get a real cease and desist and then come talk to me. Fuck are you? Who the fuck you think you can fucking bully, bitch?
We're having a conversation. He said, "Oh, you ever want to cheat it?" Yeah. Then another time here, I said, "Oh, I'm man of Canada. Look me, Chrissy. You see when we get cheat pan and we are gonna fuck, we not announce it. You want to see him or no say other man I look you. Of course, you know man I look you. You're not ugly, but when you start announce it per live, it's screaming desperation. It's screaming, I really don't want to be here. It's screaming, I'm trying to save face. It looks crazy, bro.
Yes.
Big
Yes,
woman,
it
Chrissy.
does.
I've seen that one too. Young girl. It's weird. You know what?
CMR went to church and elder of the church pick up Cassandra and Shenny Spirit and tell Chrissy to run.
I'm not trust on the church people. Me not trust on no have perfect happy life and I take family picture. Me not trust on no blood clot. Me broaden. If I
because I don't have time right now to do a video. So when I go to Jamaica, it's over with. It's over it. I'm so fucking late. I'm too late, yo. When Shiny make a video, when everybody else make a video, when Shiny make a video, he gonna make a reaction video. His wife don't talk shit about that. They don't talk shit about nothing. But when I make a video, they wanna talk shit about my video. They want to make a reaction video to my video. They want to report my video, but they don't want to report anybody else's video but my video. They always come. When I come on TikTok live, my live get reported. When I come on this, when I come on that, everything get fucking reported. When I do something, but nobody want come for nobody else but me. Hold on, y'all. I have to go back inside because I'm next in line. But I come out here because I'm like, what the fuck? When my video got taken down for copyright, right? You know what I did? I'm gonna get my shit back up because I'm ready. I'm a lawyer up too. I have my lawyer too. That's nothing. Yes, come. Wait, what they said? Never. You see, honestly. When I post my YouTube video, I said I don't want to talk about the wife.
Cassandra, me tell her, people are gonna say, yo, people are gonna say, why me can never answer because of that. It was a lot of question about the wife, and she said she don't want it. I'm respecting me. Just say, all right, next. But we'll answer a couple of them. But it was still not about. It was not like mainly about she. If you don't understand. And she can go on like anybody would have do it. Anybody would have make a video and talk them side and put it up. Someone don't know what she come talk about. Oh, we want this and
yeah.
So what, bitch? So fucking what? So what? You run go do a blood clot video too. So when you hungry too, you hungry just like our hungry. Pussy will say, well, we're gonna have for one blood clot table. Go suck your mother, girl. Go suck. Hey, I don't want to tell her.
I don't feel bad. I don't
Me
feel
tell her about
bad.
her dead pitney, you know. Me tell her about her dead pitney.
No, listen.
Me tell her about your, hey, oh no, you know I'm come on for this.
Yo, wait, hold on.
End this blood.
Hold on.
I never some things.
Listen.
Come on from my phone.
Wait, no. Listen, one more thing, yo. I never once said I want your nigga, I'm gonna keep your nigga. All I said was if I want your nigga, I could get the nigga back. That's all I said. But
Wait, what they said?
never.
You know we never. You see, or no see.
When I post my YouTube video, I said I don't want to talk about the wife.
Cassandra, me tell
I don't
her,
wanna talk about the
people are gonna say, yo, people are gonna say, why me can never answer because of that. It was a lot of question about the wife, and she said she don't want it. I'm respecting. Me just say, all right, next. But we'll answer a couple of them. But it was still not about. It was not like mainly about she. If you don't understand. And she can go on like anybody would have do it. Anybody would have make a video and talk them side and put it up. Someone don't know what she come talk about. Oh, we want this and
yeah.
So what, bitch? So fucking what?
her,
So what?
I
Uno
want
run
your
go do a
nigga.
blood clot video too. So when you hungry too, uno hungry just like oh hungry. Pussy will say, well we're gonna have for one blood clot table. Go suck your mother, girl. Go suck. Hey, I don't want to tell her.
I don't feel bad. I don't
Me
feel
tell her
bad.
about her dead pitney, you know. Me tell her about her dead pitney.
No, listen.
Me tell her about your, hey, oh no. You know I'm come on for this.
Yo, wait, hold on.
End this blood.
Hold on.
I never some things.
Listen.
Come on from my phone.
Wait, no. Listen, one more thing, yo. I never once said I want your nigga, I'm gonna keep your nigga. All I said was if I want your nigga, I could get the nigga back. That's all I said.
You reach to a point where sometimes we have to, because who hurt more than me? Me hurt. I was hurt. I am hurt. I'm still in that process of.
You know read comments or what? You know read comments?
Oh, I'm just to them.
Me not tell you say you can't win nobody. Wait, explanation.
Me ain't not try, babes, me ain't not try.
Nobody, but you don't need to do it. Me and you good over here, so what go on? You know business about that?
Yeah, I know the music me I talk about, but yeah, me know.
It not really matter.
You reach where you go?
Just, me do that and then me drop off a package them.
Oh.
I don't need to bring up that. See them start it up back. If you're not going to come clear where you need to clear, then you leave it alone. There's no explanation. We have a platform. You have that. What happened to you? That it happened already and that done.
No, I don't intend to talk about it. You see me, you know, when I don't intend to talk about it, nothing talk. Everybody hold what you want. And for the record, guys, I ain't not try to win nobody because I don't know where that go already. I'm a music, I don't want nobody feel like the music was written in at that time there, you see. It was way before, so I just me not prove, you know. Say, oh yeah.
Alright, here we go on. Cause me not make nobody make no money. Here we go on now. Me are gonna stay upon the live, but we are gonna talk about something else. Give them only 30 seconds of screen record. That is it. If you want to have a private conversation, we have membership shit, we have that with the people them. No more. So done with that. No music, no need to talk about, no nothing. Everybody want to make money. Let them do it. Everything good right here.
That's
so
true,
everybody else
that's
hungry.
true,
So let's leave it. You have too much big elderly people will look up to this. We not talk about no flan. Allow that.
Yeah. Which is
Keep
right.
that alone, yo.
Yo, what me can say doing, you know, really and truly, some of the time when you sit back and you have to be the one where we have to just observe because of how the situation play out, we have to just be the one where, you know. So me not need to speak on it really and truly. If me need to, then it have to be something where me have to profit monetarily off of. So
yeah,
that's basically.
that's
So me not go, to be honest, me not go in
everybody
depth,
want the influence, everybody want me vlog, everybody want the YouTube, everybody want it not gonna work.